What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what your customer will say to you if your price is too low. When you do a quote, you present the quote to them, there's 3 words that the customer will say to let you know whether or not your price is too low. And in this video, we're going to be going over that because when you hear those words, basically what you can do is you can up your price after that. But before we get into that, I do want to mention that the Inner Circle is going to be closing tonight. So if you haven't checked it out already, check out the first link in the comment section and the description. We're actually going to be doing our bi-weekly coaching call tonight with myself, Mike Vidan, and Aaron from Aaron's Lean Mint Academy. So get in if you haven't already and if you've been thinking about it, because after this, I'm not sure when it's going to be opening up again. Now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and hop into the video. How do you know if the quote that you send over to the customer is too low? Now, I mentioned 3 words that they were going to say to you, and those 3 words are, does this include, right? Does this include the patio? Does this include the roof? Does this include the overhang on the back patio? They're going to ask you, does this include XYZ, or does this include everything? And the reason that they're asking that is because the price that you've given them doesn't match what they feel that the work should cost, right? They think that the work should actually cost more than the price that you presented, so they wanted to make sure that that price covers everything that they want to get done. So when the customer presents to you, does that include, you can take a second, kind of backtrack a little bit and go, okay, something must be awry here. Either we didn't charge enough or there's a miscommunication with the customer. So in that instance, you really need to get clear on what is it that the customer wants done. Does the quote reflect everything that they want done? And if you're quoting remotely, like what we've been doing over the past couple months, when a customer comes out and says, does this include XYZ? I know that we need to take a closer look at it. Or does this include everything? And this has only happened probably about 2 or 3 times, but every time that it did happen, I had to backtrack a little bit and go, hey, you know what? We're going to be stopping. We're going to be in the area a little later on this week. Let us take a look at it. Let me get back with you on the exact price. Because like one time we had a customer where we quoted a roof and there was some foliage in the back that was kind of covering up the backside. We didn't have as good a visibility on the backside of this roof, and she asked me, she said, does this include the overhang on the back patio? And I told her that we were going to have to go take a look at it because we didn't really see it within Google Earth view. Now, we could see a little bit of it, but if they specifically ask for it, then we really need to go take a look. And in this situation, the overhang on the back patio was full of leaves, full of debris, and we actually ended up upcharging her an extra $50 to remove all the debris off of it and actually get that cleaned as well. So in this instance, she asked, does it include the overhang on the back patio? We said, hey, we need to take a closer look at it, and we actually ended up getting an extra $50 out of the deal. So this can happen quite a lot. Sometimes it just gives you an opportunity to reevaluate your quote, right? You can say, oh no, I forgot XYZ, or you can say, yes, that does include everything, and you know that the customer feels like they're getting a good deal. So if you ever hear from a customer, does this include XYZ, you know that your price is too low. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Quick video today. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave those down in the comment section. Like I mentioned before, check out the Inner Circle, first link in the comment section description. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.